My dick take the first of the harmony. Maybe the hungry crocodile swallow me. The Tikpalang snatch me, and the flame scorch me. Yes, that's it.
No, I'm not the one steal the birds. I saw Sir Dallas stealing.
I'm not the one who take the birds. I saw Sinagdala stay on the room of Nakambilo.
There you say before all these people you did not see, you did not take the priceless beauty.
No, I didn't.
No, Sinagdala is innocent.
You do not have enough evidence.
Kill them!
Prepare the ornament of the fire.
No! Sinagdala! I'm sorry! It's me who take the bird! Look, it's the bird! No! Hey! She is innocent! You! Ugly!